we are going to discuss the equation of the tangent line. To solve for the equation of the tangent line, we're going to use the point-slope form with the equation y minus y sub 0 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 0. That is why we have to get first the point, denoted by x and y coordinates, and the slope denoted by m, with the formula y minus y sub 0 over x minus x sub 0, followed by substituting these values in our point slope form. Say the point and slope are already given. We're just going to substitute these values in our equation. Y minus y sub 0 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 0, where y sub 0 is our y coordinate, m is our slope, and x sub 0 is our x coordinate. Substituting these values, we have y minus 3 is equal to negative 2 times the quantity x minus 2. Therefore, the equation of the tangent line is y minus 3 is equal to negative 2 times the quantity x minus 2. Or, if we may simplify the equation, we can have y minus 3 is equal to negative 2x plus 4, wherein we multiply negative 2 by the binomial x minus 2. Then, we can move negative 3 to the right side of the equation, wherein from negative 3 it will become positive 3. So we have y is equal to negative 2x plus 4 plus 3. Simplifying further, we can just add 4 and 3. So we have y is equal to negative 2x plus 7. Therefore, we can also have y is equal to negative 2x plus 7 as our equation of the tangent line. Next, if we have a point with coordinates negative 5, negative 4, and the slope of 3, we can right away substitute them in our equation. We have y minus negative 4 is equal to 3 times the quantity x minus negative 5. Applying the rule in subtraction of integers, we have y plus 4 is equal to 3 times the quantity x plus 5. Therefore, the equation of the tangent line is y plus 4 is equal to 3 times the quantity x plus 5. Or, if we may simplify the equation, we may have y is equal to 3x plus 15 minus 4 by multiplying 3 by the binomial x plus 5 and moving positive 4 to the right side of the equation, it will become negative 4. Simplifying it further, we have y is equal to 3x plus 11. Therefore, we can also have y is equal to 3x plus 11 as the equation of the tangent line. Now, let us find the equation of the tangent line to y equals x squared at x equals 4, meaning x sub 0 is equal to 4. So, in our point, x sub 0 is given, and we have to look for the value of y sub 0 using the given equation y equals x squared. Substituting 4 in the value of x, we have y sub 0 is equal to 4 squared, which is equal to 16. Therefore, y sub 0 is equal to 16 and x sub 0 is equal to 4. Now, finding the value of m, we have m is equal to the limit of y minus y sub 0 over x minus x sub 0 as x approaches x sub 0 is equal to the limit of x squared being the value of y minus 16 being the value of y sub 0 over x minus 4 being the value of x sub 0. We can factor x squared minus 16 as x plus 4 times x minus 4 over x minus 4 as x approaches 4 so that we can cancel out x minus 4. And what is left is the limit of x plus 4 as x approaches 4. Then x plus 4 will become 4 plus 4. So we have the limit of 4 plus 4 as x approaches 4 by substituting the value of c or x sub 0. Therefore, m is equal to 8. Now that we have the coordinates of the point and the value of m, we can now have the equation of the tangent line by simply substituting these values in the equation. Y minus y sub 0 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 0. So we have y minus 16 is equal to 8 times the quantity x minus 4 as the equation of the tangent line. Or, if we may simplify the equation, we have y is equal to 8x minus 32 plus 16 by multiplying 8 by the binomial x minus 4 and moving negative 16 to the right side of the equation, that will become positive 16. Adding these two constants, negative 32 and 16, we have y is equal to 8x minus 16, which can also be the equation of the tangent line. Next, let us find the equation of the tangent line to y is equal to the square root of x at x equals 9, meaning x sub 0 is equal to 9. In our point, x sub 0 is given, and we need to find the value of y sub 0 using the equation y is equal to the square root of x. Replacing x by 9, we have y sub 0 is equal to the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, y sub 0 is equal to 3 and x sub 0 is equal to 9. Now, let us find the value of m by using the limit y minus y sub 0 over x minus x sub 0 as x approaches x sub 0. Substituting the square root of x in y, 3 in y sub 0, and 9 in x sub 0, we have the limit the square root of x minus 3 over x minus 9 as x approaches 9. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by the square root of x plus 3 to eliminate the radical in the numerator. So simply get the square of x minus the square of 3, we have the limit of x minus 9 over x minus 9 times the quantity the square root of x plus 3 as x approaches 9. Then cancel out x minus 9. What is left is the limit of 1 over the square root of x plus 3 as x approaches 9. So we have the limit of 1 over 3 plus 3. Then m is equal to 1 over 6. Now that we have the coordinates of the point and the value of m, we can now have the equation of the tangent line using the equation y minus y sub 0 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 0. So simply substitute the values. We have y minus 3 is equal to 1 over 6 times the quantity x minus 9. So this will be the equation of the tangent line. If we're going to simplify it further, we have y is equal to x over 6 minus 9 over 6 plus 3 by multiplying 1 over 6 by the binomial x minus 9 and moving negative 3 to the right side of the equation, becoming positive 3. Then add negative 9 over 6 plus 3, we have y is equal to x over 6 plus 9 over 6. So this can also be the equation of the tangent line. Now let us find the equation of the tangent line when the coordinates of the point are already given. So we just need to find the slope using the formula m is equal to the limit of y minus y sub 0 over x minus x sub 0 when x approaches x sub 0. So we just need to substitute the values of y, which is x squared plus 2, y sub 0, which is 11, and x sub 0, which is 3. So we have the limit of x squared plus 2 minus 11 over x minus 3 as x approaches 3. Adding the constants in the numerator, we have the limit of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3 as x approaches 3. Then factor x squared minus 9, we have the limit of the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3 over x minus 3 as x approaches 3. Cancel out x minus 3. What is left is the limit of the quantity x plus 3 as x approaches 3. Substituting the value of c in x, we have the limit of the quantity 3 plus 3 as x approaches 3. Therefore, we have m is equal to 6. And to finally determine the equation of the tangent line, we just need to substitute the values of the coordinates of the point and the slope in our equation. Y minus y sub 0 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 0. So we have y minus 11 is equal to 6 times the quantity x minus 3. Therefore, the equation of the tangent line is y minus 11 is equal to 6 times the quantity x minus 3. Or if we may simplify the equation, we have y is equal to 6x minus 18 plus 11 by multiplying 6 by the binomial x minus 3 and moving negative 11 to the right side of the equation, becoming positive 11. Simplifying further, we have y is equal to 6x minus 7. So y is equal to 6x minus 7 can be also used as the equation of the tangent line.